Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable a crucial security setting in Opera browser that helps protect you from malicious websites. Whether you're browsing casually or doing online shopping, keeping this setting enabled is important to stay safe from phishing and harmful websites. Let's get started. First, open the Opera browser on your computer. Next, click the Opera logo or the menu icon in the top left corner of the browser window. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now, in the Settings page, scroll down to find the Privacy and Security section. Look for the Security heading under that section. You should see an option labeled Protect Me from Malicious Sites. Make sure the toggle switch next to it is turned on. When it's enabled, Opera will automatically check websites you visit against known lists of dangerous or deceptive sites. This feature helps you avoid scams, phishing attempts, and malware infections. It's a simple step, but can save you from a lot of trouble online. That's all for today. Enabling this one feature adds an extra layer of security to your browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.